We are here for the 20th workshop of Professor Fanos in Cagliari. We found an excellent atmosphere, an excellent environment, and also all the themes there in the Congress are very interesting. As we know, the main cause of neonatal deaths all over the world are due to infections. The overuse of antibiotics is a main cause, and also the duration of using these antibiotics. So if we want, so there is a resistance on the antibiotics, and with increasing the deaths of the neonates, we have to protect the new antibiotics, so we have to give shorter therapy. It's also organized for first time here in Cagliari a Balkan meeting, during the workshop. It's the first time where our scientists, neonatologists, pediatricians from Greece, Albania, Bulgaria. It's the first time we can change opinions. We can see some. We can change our knowledge and discuss about the problems that we face every country, each country. Professor Fanos has done quite a special and very interesting and very difficult work to invite all persons all over the world, and in this very nice program, and also to organize everything in the workshop. So congratulations for one more time for his work.